Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naveed Anjum from the Department of Computer Science. It is a presentation of a mid-exam evaluation I have submitted to my honorable teacher Dr. Muhammad Adil Sahib. Today my topic is expression and operators. So let's start now. Today we are discussing these content elements of program, statements, operators and relational operators.
Elements of a program. A program is a combination of different literal variables and command statements, etc. First one, a literal. A literal is a notation for representing a fixed value in source code. Almost all programming languages have notations for atomic values such as integer, floating point numbers, and strings, and usually for Boolean and characters. Some also have notations for elements of types and compound values such as arrays, records, and objects. Second, variables and constants. A variable is data item whose value can change during the program execution. Thus, as its name implies, the value can vary. Constant. A constant is a data item whose value cannot change during the program's execution. Thus, as its name implies, the value is constant. Variables and constant are placeholder and used store data value. Types. Types of data mean a variables may be integer type or float type. Expressions. An expression is a combination of operators, constant and variables. An expression may be consist of one or more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. Assignments. Assignments mean that is used to set a value to a variable name. Assignment mean that is used to set a value to a variable name. The operator used to do assignment is denoted with an equal sign. This operand works by assigning the value on the right hand side of the operand to the operand on the left hand side. It is possible for the same variable to hold different values at different instant of time. Statement. A statement is a command given to a computer that instructs the computer to take a specific action, such as display to the screen or collect input. A computer program is made up of a series of statements. Instructions in C program. Any expression followed by a semicolon is a statement. Control flow construct. Control flow construct that allow a statement or groups of statement to be executed only when certain condition hold, or to be executed more than once. Functions. Function named blocks of statements that performed as well-defined operation. Libraries. A library is a collection of non-volatile resources used by computer programs, often for software development. These may include configuration data, documentation, help data, message templates, pre-written code, and subroutines, classes, value, or type specifications. In this statement, integer is a data type and ABC is a variable declaration. Variable mean where you can store data into the memory. These are some examples of expression where literal expression, variable expression, and arithmetic expressions. Operators. Operators can be classified according to their types of their operands and of their output. Arithmetic operator are plus, minus, multiply, and divided. A relational operator Relational operator are also called comparison operator like greater than, less than. Logical operator. Logical operator are and, or, and not gate. The number of their operands. In unary, one operand. In binary, two operands. In this example, we see is first operand plus in operator and 7 is second operand. This is called binary expression because in this example use two operand. In this example, only one operand used and unary operator used. This is called unary expressions. Unary expression. In this example, use three operand. First operand is condition, second is value, third is an other value, and question mark is an operator. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic are the operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divided. These operators are applied on numbers, and result is also a number. However, the type of result depend on operands as integer type or float. Here is an example of arithmetic operators. 5 divided by 2, and the result of this expression is 2 because of its integer data type of operand. Arithmetic operators, usually is signified by the plus symbols, is one of four basic operation of arithmetic, the other three being subtraction, multiplication, and division. Plus is an addition operator. Second, multiply is a multiplication operator. They are both binary. This operator has two meanings. Subtraction used to find difference of two values, and negative used to indicate the worth of number. The result of integer division is an integer. 5 divided by 2 is 2, not 2.5 because its type integer. As we know, the result is depend on the operands. Here 5 and 2 both are integer type. In this way, the result is also should be integer. That's why result 2 not 2.5. Is modulus operator used to find a remainder. Remainder mean amount which cannot be divided as shown in this example. 5 divided by 2, remainder is 1, so 1 is the answer of remainder operator. And other example of 6 divided by 2, result is 3, but not remainder is 0, so modulus remainder is 0. In this first example, 12 divided by 3 after division, its remainder is 0 and division result is 4. In second example, 14 divided by 3 where remainder is 2 and division result is 4. In this mathematical expression example and C expression comparisons. Relational operators. Here is now some relation operators used to make comparison between values like less than, or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Here is an example to illustrate the concept of relation operators. In this example, different operators shown like that math symbols, English C notations, C sample, and math equivalent is equal to, in not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope you have understand easily. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.